You know it's a good day when you get a massive package from Halara. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how much they sent over to me. I've partnered today with them on today's video to show you guys some amazing pieces that they have. I got skirts, dresses, and let me tell you, some of their dresses are new and improved. If you have not watched any of my other hauls before, I have worked them in the past. I will have like a little playlist up here for you guys, but they make phenomenal dresses. I can always show you what they've done with some of the newer ones, so can't wait to show you that. I also have a 20% off promo code. It's on the screen for 20% off. I will have everything linked in the description as well as the promo code. Trust me, you're gonna want to use it because who doesn't love 20% off of some amazing activewear pieces? So that's what today's video is. So without further ado, let's get right into it. One thing I do want to applaud Halara for before I show you guys these pieces is they actually listen to our feedback. So customer feedback is always helping them improve their items, and let me show you what they did. I'm going to start off with this dress, which is actually one of their newer ones, but it's very similar to one that they had on their website already, but this is an improved kind of version of it. As mentioned, they do listen to customer feedback, and they did not disappoint with this dress. It looks familiar when you see it if you've seen my other ones. First of all, how stunning is this color? Red is my favorite color, and this red is just perfect. It's stunning, it's beautiful, it's bright, absolutely love it. And then the material is also phenomenal, stretchy but still holds you in, and then the detail is absolutely amazing. So this is what the back looks like. Cutout, it's pretty, has a built-in bra with padding in it, and then it also has built-in shorts that also have pockets. And I'm not done, because the best thing that they just did to improve this dress is that the shorts are not attached to the top, so you can go to the bathroom easily by just taking off the shorts, because usually dresses have shorts attached to it and you gotta kind of take out everything to go to the bathroom. No, this, you just have to undo the shorts, go to the bathroom, and pull them back up, and you're still covered. It's still pretty. You can't even tell either that there's shorts under here or a built-in bra. I'm telling you guys right now, this is actually my favorite dress. The older style of this dress was my favorite dress, and I actually got a couple other ones because I got one in a previous haul. Absolutely loved it. Not too short, not too long, stretchy, fits nice. Nothing bad to say about this. And now that they have the shorts, I'm actually shocked and so happy that they did that. So I got this, and then I also picked up some of the older versions in other colors that they came with. Right now this only comes in like 5 different colors. This is their backless cutout twisted side pocket 2-in-1 exercise dress, easy peasy. So the easy peasy is that you are able to go to the bathroom easy peasy. It retails for $61.67 Canadian. It comes from extra small and then goes all the way up to XXX. So also love how size inclusive they are. It's true to size is great. If you are in between extra small and small, I would say to just size up for more of a comfort. Like I am in between sizes, but I just like how the small fits. I feel like it's very flattering, not restricting again, and honestly just stunning. The detail that it has to it, the little twist at the back, like come on. And then it's also very easy to put on by yourself because it just has this little clasp. Love how it is. If I had to pick one dress to wear for the rest of my life, you could probably guarantee it would be this one because it is just so pretty. I love the detail. This is definitely the one that I would pick. Don't get me wrong, the other dresses I'm going to show you are honestly very pretty as well. You'll see them trying and everything, but just my favorite personally. Since I showed you that one, I'm going to show you some of the older style ones. So this is another beautiful one, royal blue color. Absolutely love this color as well. It's stunning. So it is very similar. Again, it has the built-in sports bra, it has the lovely padding, same twist back, same detail. Also again has shorts with pockets on each side, which is great, but as you can see, it is attached to the dress, so it doesn't have the little section where you can pull it off and just pull it back on when you're going to the bathroom. So this is the older version of it. Still very flattering, still absolutely love it, but I will say that little detail that they just added is a game changer. So love that. Again, I'm just like very hyped because I was already obsessed with this style, and to know that they now came out with that one, like the hype is real, the excitement is just real. I like it so much that I didn't just get 2 colors, I got 3 colors. So I also had to pick up the plain white one because I knew it wouldn't be see-through because the material is nice, it's thick, but it's still breathable, not too heavy either, which is phenomenal. And then yeah, I just had to get this like off-white. It's not a pure white, but it has like a yellow tint to it. I don't know if the camera will kind of pick it up, but also it'll probably look whiter next to my nails since my nails are more yellow. But it's not a pure white, it has a slight little yellow tint to it, but again it has the built-in padding, shorts as well. This is the older style, so it does not have the little hole for the bathroom. These ones retail for $54.95 USD, so around the same price as this one was in Canadian. So it's great, and honestly I think I need a black one. I don't have the black one of it yet, but I think I do want to get the updated style in a black. I think it'll just be really pretty, a staple, can't go wrong. Again, material is great. That dress is just 10 out of 10. Moving on to more fun colors. As you can see, I wanted to do like bright, fun, vibrant colors, especially because they had a lot of them on their website. They do come in like neutral colors as well, but it's summer and I just wanted to explore fun new colors, and this color was stunning. Such a pretty like lavender purple color. I think they nailed it with their colors as well. Like, it's so pretty, and each of them do have this little tag on them. I also got this in a size small, same as the other ones. Again, small seems to be the size that works best for me with these dresses. I have extra small and small, but I personally like how the small is, especially if I know I'm gonna wear them out to like days where I'm going to dinner with my boyfriend, I'm gonna be eating a lot, I want to be comfortable, or if I want to like go on a hike and still be athleisure but also cute, or just be out and about running errands, or if one day I want to play tennis. Like, these dresses are great for so many things. If I'm gonna run errands and I just pop this on, it's gonna look like I'm very put together, like I thought about my outfit a lot, but realistically I didn't even have to put on a bra because they have built-in paddings. This is their everyday Cloudful backlist 2-in-1 flare workout dress wannabe, and this was in the lavender color, size small, for $49.95 USD. I love the straps, very nice. They're not too long, not too short, they don't dig in, they fit great. I love the neckline of this, and again, as mentioned, this one does have a built-in bra as well with the padding, which you can remove. I forgot to say, in case you don't want the padding, you can remove them, but personally I do like the padding because you don't have to wear a bra, and it's great. And it also has a nice twist detail at the back. Again, not too long, not too short. They started making these dresses in 2001, and since then up until now they've made 7 different changes to the dress to make it better. Speaking of that purple dress, they have improved it to be this one. So I did get a black neutral color. This is part of their Easy Peasy collection, which means the shorts are improved and you can go to the bathroom while wearing them. So this was the original one. That's so cute. Like, even if you want to wear it on an airplane, very easy to just go to the bathroom. So I love that. Okay, moving on from dresses. This item, it'll look familiar if you've seen my other hauls. I have worn it as well. I do really love it. I had to pick it up because in the other haul I picked up this item. I picked it up in a white and a black. I got the white and extra small and the black and small because I wasn't sure what size I wanted. And then I realized quickly that I love the way the extra small fit. As soon as this opportunity came, I knew that I wanted this in an extra small. It's just a very flattering top. I love it. I love the detail to it. It looks like it has a little cardigan on it, but it's attached. 10 out of 10, material phenomenal, built-in bra, you don't gotta wear a bra. Honestly, I think that's like my favorite thing about Halara, that everything has pretty much a built-in bra for the top, so you don't have to worry about that. It's very comfortable. I think this item is great for styling to go out also. Like, it doesn't even look like it's a workout top. I know it's supposed to be a workout top, but you can also wear it to like run errands, go out, go to the movies. Like, it's just so comfortable. This is their Cloudful long sleeve thumb hole cropped yoga sport top. I got it in extra small as mentioned, the black color, and it is $39.95 USD. Moving on to skirts. They had skirts and I saw them and I was like, I need to try a couple of these. First one we're gonna do is this fun minty color, which I have this in a pink that I showed last time. Loved the look of it. It does have a V crossover at the front, as you can see. It is also still high rise, so it does go above my belly button, but that V shape is very flattering on your waistline. I wanted this minty one because I have a mint belt bag and I wanted to pair them together, so I thought that was really pretty. Again, built-in shorts with pockets. Sometimes the quad part can be a little bit too tight, but I am pleased to say that the quad part is very stretchy. As you can see, it's a thinner material, so it's very stretchy, not uncomfortable, and it does not cut off the blood circulation in your legs, which is great. This is the Cloudful Air Comfy High-Waisted Crossover 2-in-1 Side Pocket Flare Cool Touch Tennis Skirt. That was a long name, but it retails for $34.93 USD. Got it in a size extra small, and this is the Fairest Jade color. And last but certainly not least, I got the same skirt in 2 different colors because it looked so cute on the website. I wanted to try it. This is what it looks like. First of all, the detail, so pretty to this. This is their high-waisted 2-in-1 side pocket cutout Jacquard mini flare casual skirt. Sorry if I butchered the name, but it retails for $39.95 USD. And again, it does have built-in shorts with pockets at the bottom, and then it has this really cute pattern and fabric on top of it, so you can see this is what the shorts look like. It's also not see-through. I know sometimes for white things it can be see-through, but these are not see-through, so I'm happy about that. Waistband is also double layered, as you can see, so there's 2 pieces of fabric sewn together to make it more thick. True to size, got size extra small, and they fit perfectly. Glad I went with the extra small, and again, it's just very cute and flowy, as you guys can see. And I saw that it came in yellow, and I'm trying to be more colorful, experience with colors. Like I just did my nails, like I said, they are yellow, and I saw the skirt in yellow, and I thought, you know what, let me try to see if I can style this skirt. I don't think I have any yellow tops, or I might have one, but this is what it looks like. Again, it's the exact same. It has yellow shorts underneath, and then this really pretty like light yellow pastel-y fabric to go on top. Let me know how you would style this yellow. What color should I style with it? Again, very pretty, very girly, and I just love this haul because in the summer I like wearing skirts, and this is just so easy to style. You don't even have to think about any of the outfits because realistically everything is there. No need to grab a bra. The bra's there. You don't need shorts to put under the skirt. The skirt already has shorts with pockets, so phenomenal, great. You can wear it for tennis, sports, anything, athleisure, going on a date, whatever it is. I feel like these are just perfect staples you need in your closet. Trust me when I say that even though this video is sponsored, I say this all the time. This video is sponsored, but I am able to give 100% my own opinion. Like, I don't have to say anything. They're not gonna get mad at me if I say something wrong about an item or something bad about an item, but I truthfully have nothing bad to say about this. Like, I am so excited and happy with this, and that just goes to show you guys that I really like it because I got things in multiple colors. Also, I'm curious, leave down below which piece was your favorite. I want to know what you guys liked after now you've seen all of them. Honestly, I like everything. I don't know, like, I love the skirts, I love the shorts, I love the dresses. I can't pick, but I'm curious to know what you guys like and which one your favorite was, so leave that in the comments. Again, I do have a promo code with them. It'll be on the screen as well as in the description with all the items that I have mentioned. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!